we are moving on to Letscool Daikin Aircon.
Yes. Okay, this one I want to share with you. So this Daikin aircon, one thing I realized is when it blows out air, right, it blows out in different directions.
Okay.
So it is, you know, some aircons they blow directly
It's like
down.
direct, right?
Yes.
Right.
Then it can be a bit uncomfortable.
Correct,
but this one, right, it's like all the different directions so that the air is evenly
More
spread.
general
Yes.
cooling lah.
Correct. So if let's say if you're sitting directly under the aircon, right, you don't feel like it's freezing.
But it's not like okay.
Yeah, you know what I mean?
Understand.
Yeah. So one thing I really like about this aircon is this lah.
And this is actually from Letscool Aircon. Okay, so Letscool Aircon, right, they carry a variety of aircon brands, and I also work with them for my house.
Oh, same.
I have to say, right, their servicing, right, and their installation, right, is a little bit different from the others that I work with, right, because they do care about how it looks like. Like all your piping, all that, they don't just anyhow do. They will properly work with your ID to go cover all the areas nicely and properly. And for my house, right, they even come and tell me, right, where should I position my aircon for optimal cooling.
Oh yeah, this one they did for me also.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, now that we are done with aircon,